Introduction. Advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and the rise of chatbots have revolutionized numerous industries. While these technologies offer several benefits, there is a growing concern about their potential impact on employment. As AI and chatbots become increasingly sophisticated, fears of widespread job displacement and unemployment have taken center stage. In this article, we delve into the topic and examine the potential consequences of AI and chatbots on the job market. The AI revolution. AI has made remarkable progress in recent years, enabling machines to perform tasks that were once the sole domain of humans. From automated customer service to data analysis, AI has proved its mettle in various industries. Chatbots, powered by AI, have become commonplace, providing instant responses and support to customers. These virtual assistants have the potential to streamline operations and enhance efficiency, but they also raise concerns about job security. Job displacement. One of the key fears surrounding AI and chatbots is the potential loss of jobs. As these technologies continue to evolve, there is a real possibility that certain job roles will become redundant. For example, customer service representatives, data entry operators, and even some medical professionals may face the risk of being replaced by AI-powered systems. This trend can result in significant unemployment and a reconfiguration of the job market. However, it is crucial to note that while AI may eliminate some job positions, it also creates new opportunities. As technology advances, new industries and professions emerge, requiring individuals with the skills to develop, maintain, and manage AI systems. Reskilling and upskilling programs can play a vital role in ensuring a smooth transition for the workforce affected by AI-driven automation. Increased efficiency and cost savings. While the potential for job displacement exists, AI and chatbots also offer considerable advantages. These technologies can enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and significantly lower operational costs for businesses. By automating routine tasks, companies can allocate human resources to more complex and strategic responsibilities. This shift may result in a reshaping of job roles rather than mass unemployment. Collaborative intelligence. Another perspective to consider is the concept of collaborative intelligence, where AI and humans work together to achieve optimal results. Instead of replacing humans, AI technologies can augment their capabilities, allowing them to focus on tasks that require creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. This symbiotic relationship can lead to enhanced productivity and job satisfaction. Ethical considerations. As AI and chatbots become increasingly sophisticated, ethical concerns surrounding privacy, security, and bias arise. While these concerns may not directly impact employment, they highlight the need for responsible and ethical AI implementation. Regulations and frameworks should be in place to ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI-driven systems. Conclusion. The advent of AI and chatbots undoubtedly brings forth both opportunities and challenges for the job market. While there is a genuine concern about job displacement, it is crucial to approach this topic with a balanced perspective. Instead of outright panic, proactive measures such as reskilling, upskilling, and fostering collaboration between humans and AI can help mitigate the potential negative impacts. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can create a future where technology complements human potential rather than supplants it. It is imperative to embrace these advancements while prioritizing the well-being and adaptability of the workforce.